The high knee exercise is a very good cardio exercise. You need no equipment. You can do this anywhere if you're traveling, just anywhere, because it doesn't take much space and you need no equipment. So the way we're going to do this is you're going to start in your standing position. You are going to work our abs, our glutes, quads, and some calves. So we're going to get our heart rate up so we can burn that fat and calories we want to get rid of. So the way we're going to start is you're going to start running in place. So you want to bring your knees up as high as you can, at least hip width apart, to get that heart rate really flowing. Okay, so we're going to start. Make sure you keep your abs contracted. Shoulders are back and down. You want to keep that good posture. So you're going to bring that knee up, and we're going to run up, 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 up. Get that heart rate going. Burn those calories. So a modification of this exercise, you're going to raise your arms up and you're going to bring your arms down as your knee comes up. Still bring that knee up above hip width. You're still going to get that heart rate up since you're moving more muscles than you are just standing and raising your knee. You're bringing those arms, burning that fat. And then after you have mastered this, you can move on to the running. And that is your high knee exercise.